Hello people and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment. But more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. So today I've decided to take the time out to do this quick video about my channel's mission. My channel has been around for the last 4 years. Started in 2015 just as a personal channel where I throw random things on. And then last year or the year before, in 2017, late 2017, I've decided to focus the channel on Jamaica, all things Jamaica. But as the channel grew, I realized that it would also be wise if I diverse it somewhat to the rest of the Caribbean. So first and foremost, I want to make it clear that this channel's mission is 90% Jamaica. It's all about Jamaica for me. And I will extend 10% to the rest of the Caribbean countries. And I'm going to tell you why. Not only because I'm a Jamaican and that's where I'm from, but because most of what I talk about, I prefer to talk factual. And when it comes to Jamaica, most things is not hearsay for me. Most things is what I know for a fact. So when I take on subject pertaining to Jamaica, it's usually based on my personal knowledge. If it's something that I don't know, I'll pretty much say I don't know. At the same time, I'm not saying that the rest of the Caribbean is extremely off limits. It's just that I don't feel comfortable taking on subject regarding to the rest of the Caribbean countries if I don't have factual information. So if one of you guys out there would like to hear my views regarding a situation in your country, I'm not saying don't bring it to me. I'm saying I'm more than welcome to hear it. But you guys have to substantiate that with some factual evidence. And I'll be all over it. As long as there's evidence, I'll be all over it. Because when it comes to this channel, I want people to know that these are my priority, and I'm going to list my priorities to you guys. So like I said before, I can't rub it in enough. My channel is really about Jamaica. So one, I'm going to say my channel is about Jamaica. Secondly, I'm going to say my channel is about law. Anything legal. You know, I am here to discuss law where Jamaica and the Caribbean is concerned. I'm here to challenge law. I'm here to enforce the amendment of law for the betterment of people. I'm here to address the Constitution of Jamaica. I'm here to address human rights for Jamaicans, cultural principles and its changes. I'm here to discuss unity. Without a doubt, I'm big on unity. And more than anything, I'm here to acquire a solution or offer a solution. Now, my words aren't law, but my whole aim is to inspire other Jamaicans to make a change in Jamaica for the better of Jamaicans and Jamaica. Now that I've covered what my channel is about, I have to also cover what my channel is not about. First and foremost, I want my viewers and my subscribers to know that I don't do gossip. I don't believe in repeating the news. You know, I may mention something that I see in the news, but that's about it. I don't think it's my place to repeat the news. The news is already broadcasted. So I'm here to share my views and my opinion. So I'm against gossip and I'm not here to echo the news. I'm against racism. I'm against any form of prejudice. I'm against any form of divide. My channel is not here to promote hate. Now, before I get into anything else, I want to give 2 shout outs to 2 of my subscribers. First, I want to give a shout out to Tyrek Smith. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Tyrek or Tyrek Smith. And then I want to give a shout out to a channel called Proud Jamaican. Proud Jamaican, big up yourself. You know why I'm bigging you up. I don't want to broadcast it without your permission. I want to say thank you for your constructive criticism, Tyrek. Your comment to me is what I entertain on this channel, you know, because I'm all about each one teaching the other. And you were criticizing my intro for a video that I posted not so long ago. Yours weren't the first person's comment I read in criticism of that particular video or my approach to the video. But the reason why I decided to single you out is it's how you criticize. You know, sometimes it's not what you say to a person, but it's how you say it to a person. I want to say big respect for that, because as much as I'm the host of the channel, I want my subscribers to feel a level of equality with me. I don't want my subscribers to think that my position on the channel is to feel as if I'm superior to them, or I'm better than them and they can't teach me anything. We all can teach each other something, you know. I see my channel from the host point of view, and you see my channel from the viewer's point of view. And if we're going to build a channel together, I have to take criticism. You know, like I've always said to my editors in my book world, I don't want anyone to just praise how great of a writer I am. That's not going to help me to grow. I would rather people to criticize the flaws. Don't be shy. If you see something that you think is not working for the channel, say it, you know. I can take it. I recently uploaded a video on the channel, and in the video I had an 8 minutes insertion of a voice note where I wasn't actually speaking, and that was the first for my channel. And that voice note was evidence of some racism that was going on in Trinidad. And it brought back a lot of feedback and a lot of comments, you know, and I could see why it brought back a lot of feedback and a lot of comment, because it was alarming and it was disgusting, and I could see the reason why it would create a buzz. But at the same time, I just want my subscribers to know that my aim with that video was not to create a chaos and a buzz, you know, because as you can see, it was really about Trinidad and very little to do with Jamaica. But my previous video to that, which had mentions of Jamaica, requested evidence of racism in other parts of the Caribbean, and that was the evidence. There were a few comments where people were saying I was taking too long to get to the point. Here's the way I view that. If I had started that video with the voice note, no one would even listen to what I have to say afterwards. You understand what I'm saying? So I wanted to set a precedent that as much as I'm going to let you hear this voice note, this channel is really about me and what I have to say. It's not to create reactions, and it's not to promote hate among one another. So I just wanted to throw that in there real quick and let everybody kind of understand what the channel's mission is about. So people, thanks to everybody once again for the support. They comment, the positive one, the negative ones, the thumbs up, the thumbs down. I appreciate all interaction, because at the end of the day, the message is heard. Yeah? Peace.